up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I am just here with my face already done to do an eye look using the NATASHA Denona Mini Lila palette. I got this on sale for like $12.50 or something like that on Sephora. And it's a beautiful little palette, and I have swatched this like 20 times, but I have not used it on my eyes. I am considering potentially using this color from the JD Glows with it. I'm not sure yet. I need to get this on my eyes first. So we'll just see how it goes. How's everybody doing? How you doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? How your baby daddy doing? How everybody doing? I am hanging in there, I guess. I am starting to feel the isolation of being at home all the time, and a little bit of the anxiousness about school starting again and all the things. So I'm just trying to keep my brain occupied, hence I'm here to film a video to get my mind into a happy place. So I have tried one single shadow from NATASHA Denona a long time ago, like years ago, and I don't remember being super impressed, but I have swatched these on my hand like seriously like 10 times as I've been trying to get to this video. So I'm excited to use this, and I'm excited to see what I think about this formula. So this is kind of like a first impressions, and this is kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me. So I'm hoping to come up with something very pretty with this, and also potentially use my other shadow from JD Glow and form an opinion of NATASHA Denona, at least these 5 shadows. So if you'd like to see what I come up with and what I think about NATASHA Denona's formula, then please keep watching. Alright, I'm going to start off with the color Flint, which is kind of a transition shade, and I'm going to go in with my regular BH Cosmetics Fluffy Blender Brush. Gonna get that crease going. Oops, almost forgot. Welcome to my face. Welcome to my face. Welcome to my face. Welcome to my face. I'm going to tap off the first time just in case it's super pigmented. Like I said, no experience with these shadows. Nice. Very pigmented, blended like a dream. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't want to like these. I don't want to like these. Very nice though. So I'm going all the way in because I know I'm going to do a half cut crease, and kind of pulling it out here to the side a little bit just to get that outer corner and crease going. The one that looks a little bit deeper is actually the lighter of the two. So to kind of deepen up my crease, I'm gonna go in to begin with this one, which is Poison Berry. Let's hope it's not poison. Wow. And next I'm going to go in with Raisin. I'm just going to kind of put it in the same place. I think this will give a little bit more warmth. Actually, I'm not going to go all the way up with this one. I'm just going to keep this on the outer corner because it, like I said, it is darker than the other one. I'm using just a clean brush with no product on it to really blend those out and pull those in. And then I'm going to go in with the very first brush without any additional product and just kind of go around that outside with that beginning transition color. Okay, the more I get into this, the more I think I'm just going to stick with this NATASHA Denona palette and not use the JD Glow. It just doesn't, I just don't think the color is going to sync up well. This is super pinky purple and it doesn't really match, to me, it doesn't really match with this color story. I think this one is going to need to be with a really pretty pink look. So, if you guys don't know where that came from, there's this little boy on TikTok. I think it was TikTok. I saw it all. And his mom was telling him to go to bed. And he was saying, "Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog?" And his voice just kept getting higher. "Can I pet that dog?" It was the cutest thing ever. And so, yeah, that's where I got that from. So instead, I think I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try this color on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to put that gold over that. I don't, in my inner corner and over, I don't think I'm even going to cut the crease. I think it will be prettier to be a softer look with just the gold. And the gold is called Linen. So Linen's going to go all over my lid, and Blue Dahlia is going to go on my lower lash line. We're going to try it. Even though this is a shimmer, we're going to try it. And then I'll go in with the two pink colors, or the burgundy colors, and see what I can do to mesh these together. And just blend a little bit more here with a clean brush. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Morphe M456, which is that James Charles brush, the one that's like a smaller version of the M433. I love it. It's perfect for a lower lash line. So I'm going to go into Blue Dahlia. Again, it's a shimmer, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to go for it.
Just listen. Just listen.
I rather like that. I'm going to go into this shade I've been using for my inner corner for almost every look recently, but it's just a super icy white, and it just looks good with everything, especially when you have a lighter color on your inner corner or on your inner lid, but you still want your inner corner to be even brighter. And then I'm doing that with AOA Studio E122, that brush I told you guys I love. It was my very favorite find with my Shop Miss A haul. But this brush was the hidden gem of the group. Okay, let's talk about my lips and why they are neon pink. Earlier today, my friend and I, Erica, we were talking about these one shades of lippies that we don't ever wear. We keep it just because, gold on my lip. We keep it just because it's something that is part of our collection, that it's the only one that we have, but the colors don't work. And so I put it on, and it's like this really weird shade of lilac. And so I just put it on, left it on for a little while, and then when I got ready for this video, I took it off. It stained my lips bright pink, and it's not even this color, which tripped me out. And it doesn't really, it's not what I'm going for my eyes. I want something mauve-y. So hopefully my liquid lipstick will like go over it and cover it. If not, we're just gonna have to deal with whatever comes. So I also used some this Octa-Curl thing on my hair. You can't even see it, last night. And so I'm gonna try to style it. We'll see what it looks like, but you know, be kind. I'm gonna go off camera to put on my eyeliner and my lashes and mascara, and then I'll be back. We'll put on the lippy together. Okay guys, wow. These lashes are by Lashy Box, and they are called Rio. And so yeah, they're giant. I let my friend choose out of the ones that I showed her, and she chose these, and I think they're beautiful, but wow, they're dramatic for me. But it's nice to try something new as well. So I'm gonna try to kind of counteract the pinkness of my lip with something that's a little bit more neutral and warmer, and that is Hush Hush by Buxom is the lip liner, and the liquid lip is Boss by Bare Minerals. So that's what I'm going in with. I'm gonna back up a little bit since I'm done with my eyeballs. Here's a look at it, by the way. I think I'm gonna fill in my whole lip too. Just trying to cover that a little bit. I'm not sure I can see my lips out from under these eyelashes. Perfect, and I think it did cover that completely. And I love the Gen Nude. Love the Gen Nude formula. I forget how much I love it until I use it again, and I'm like, just feels lovely and looks lovely. Alrighty, now I am gonna go attempt to make something cute out of my hair. If it doesn't look cute, don't tell me. If it doesn't look cute, don't tell me. I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the hair. I just wasn't in the mood to mess with it much today. I think it's cute, but I need to work with it a little bit more. But this is what I came up with this experiment with this NATASHA Denona Mini Lila palette. They worked really great. They had great pigment. They were very smooth. They didn't fall out everywhere. They blended out like a dream. They're really vibrant and pretty. Dang it. Dang it, I didn't want to like NATASHA Denona, but I do. Alas, I do. So, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my demo. I really do enjoy just experimenting with something new, playing around and seeing what I can come up with. Sometimes it turns out well and sometimes it doesn't. Today, I'm happy with what came out of the little palette, so I like it. Anyways, I am out of here for now. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with your girl. But if you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos or my batting of the eyelashes or my stumbling over my own words, all the things. Make sure you hit it so that you don't miss any of that stuff. I digress, which I do a lot, actually. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Whenever I was swatching these, the one that actually looks a little bit deeper is lighter than the one that looks less deep. I don't know if I said that right. The one that looks deeper, the one that looks less deep is the actually and this is kind of like a, I don't know. So I hope to come up with something pretty and come up. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go in to the first color, which is called Funt. Oh, I'm so blind. I'm blind. My eyes, I'm blind.
Oh my gosh, they look identical.
Flint, Lennon, Raisin, Blue Dahlia, Poison, Berry. Letting you go. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that was way too close to Sherri's nostril. Way too close. Kind of like it. I need to work with it a little bit more, but anyways, this is what I came up with for the NATASHA DENONA experiment with this. And I have a hair. Why is there always a hair?